KRA has officially begun exchanging financial information with 77 foreign countries. Here is what this global tax update means for Kenyans. This is happening under a global system known as Automatic Exchange of Information, also called AEOI. Under this system, tax authorities in different countries share financial data with each other. The information shared includes foreign bank accounts, account balances, interest earned, investment income, and other financial dealings held outside Kenya. So in simple terms, foreign financial activities are no longer hidden. KRA can now access information that was previously difficult to trace. So this information matters because Kenya Revenue Authority can now compare foreign financial data with your Kenyan tax records to check for consistency and compliance. This exchange mainly affects Kenyans working abroad, freelancers earning income from foreign clients, and anyone with bank accounts or investments outside Kenya. Here are the major 77 countries. They include major destinations where Kenyans work, do business, and invest. KRA now receives financial data directly from these countries. Take note that information sharing does not automatically mean more tax. Actual taxation depends on your tax residency status and how Kenya's tax laws apply to your situation. I'll be sharing videos that explain who is considered a tax resident or non-resident in Kenya and how to stay compliant under the new information sharing system. Subscribe to follow along and catch them when they are out. Thank you for watching and see you in my next episode.